Your friend sends you a message. It says, "Hey, did you wake up yet? Come back home soon. Don't put it off." And you understand the words, but the meaning feels strange.
By the end of this video, you will know 9 phrasal verbs that native English speakers use every single day. And one of them, number 7, is a phrase that even advanced learners get wrong. We will show you exactly how.
Here is how this works. Sarah and I will say the phrase twice, clearly. We give you a simple definition. We use it in 2 real sentences from everyday life. Then you try it yourself, out loud. Then we move to the next one.
No long explanations, no complicated grammar rules, just real English used the way real people use it. Ready?
Welcome to Simple Conversations. I'm Dan.
And I'm Sarah. This channel is for people who want to speak English the way it is actually spoken, not just the way it is written in a textbook.
Today, we're focusing on phrasal verbs. These are 2-word phrases. A verb plus a small word like up, off, out, or back. Together, the 2 words mean something new.
There are hundreds of them, but today, just 9. The 9 you will hear in real life over and over again. Let's start.
Number 1. Wake up. Wake up.
Wake up means to stop sleeping. Your eyes open, the night is over, you wake up.
Example 1. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning.
Example 2. My little brother woke up 3 times last night. He had a bad dream.
Now it's your turn.
Say this sentence out loud. I wake up at... What time do you wake up? Say the full sentence.
Good. Remember that one. We will come back to it at the end. Number 2. Give up. Give up.
Give up means to stop trying. When something is very difficult and you stop, that is when you give up.
Example 1. Learning English is hard sometimes, but please do not give up. You are doing great.
Example 2. He tried to open the jar for 5 minutes. Then he gave up and asked for help.
Your turn. Say this sentence out loud. I will not give up because... Finish it. What is your reason?
We love that answer. Keep that feeling with you.
Number 3. Turn on. Turn on.
Turn on means to start a machine or a device. A light, a television, a phone, a computer.
Example 1. Can you turn on the lights? It's very dark in here.
Example 2. She turned on her laptop and started working right away.
And the opposite, turn off, means to stop a machine. Turn on, turn off. A perfect pair.
Your turn. Say every morning, the first thing I turn on is my... What do you turn on first? Okay, stop for 1 second. Quick quiz. I describe a situation, you say the phrasal verb. Ready?
Your alarm rings at 6 in the morning. You open your eyes. You do what?
Wake up. That's right.
You're learning something very difficult. It's hard, but you keep going. You do not
Give up. Perfect. You're paying attention. Let's keep going. 6 more phrasal verbs to learn.
Number 4. Look for. Look for.
Look for means to search for something. When you want to find something, you look for it.
Example 1. I'm looking for my keys. Have you seen them anywhere?
Example 2. She is looking for a new job. She wants something closer to her home.
Now, this is a great moment to stop and write a comment. Go to the comments below and tell us what are you looking for in your life right now. Use the phrase, I'm looking for. We read every single comment.
That's a real sentence in real English. You just did it.
Number 5. Pick up. Pick up.
Pick up has 2 meanings that you will hear very often.
First meaning, to lift something from a surface. Example 1. Can you pick up that pen? You dropped it on the floor.
Second meaning, to go and collect a person from a place. Example 2. I will pick you up from the airport at 3 o'clock. Wait for me outside.
Your turn. Say, every morning, the first thing I pick up is... What is it? Before we continue, I want to mention something. Number 7 on our list today is a phrase that even advanced English learners get wrong, not just beginners. Advanced learners. We will show you the exact mistake and how to fix it. Coming up very soon.
Number 6. Come back. Come back.
Come back means to return to a place that you were at before.
Example 1. I went to the store and came back with 2 bags of groceries.
Example 2. She moved to another city for work, but she always comes back to visit her family.
Your turn. When I travel far away, I always come back to what place? Finish that sentence out loud.
Here it is, number 7, the one I promised you. Put off. Put off.
Put off means to delay something, to move it to a later time instead of doing it now.
Now, here is the mistake that trips people up. Many learners say, I put off to do my homework. That sounds natural, right? But it is not correct in English.
The correct form is, I put off doing my homework. After put off, you always use the verb with ing. Put off doing, put off going, put off calling, always the ing form.
Example 1. I put off doing my homework until the last minute. It was a really bad idea.
Example 2. Do not put off calling your doctor. Your health is always important.
Now you try and use the correct form. I always put off, say the ing form. What do you put off? Tell us in the comments. We promise we do the same thing.
See, even knowing the rule does not make it easy. That's normal. Practice makes it natural.
Okay, one breath. We have learned 7 phrasal verbs. Wake up, give up, turn on, look for, pick up, come back, put off. 2 more to go. Let's finish strong.
Number 8. Figure out. Figure out.
Figure out means to understand something or to find the answer to a problem. When something is confusing and then it becomes clear, you figured it out.
Example 1. I can't figure out how to use this new application. It's so confusing.
Example 2. He finally figured out why his car was making a strange noise. The tire was flat.
And here's a connection I love. Remember give up from earlier? When something is difficult, you have a choice. You can give up or you can figure it out. We know which one you choose.
Your turn. Right now, I'm trying to figure out what is something you're working to understand. Say it. And number 9, our final phrasal verb today. Run out of. Run out of.
Run out of means you have no more of something. It's finished. It's all gone.
Example 1. Oh no, we ran out of coffee. Someone needs to go to the store right now.
Example 2. She was almost at the finish line of the race, but she ran out of energy and had to slow down. Your turn. I often run out of... What is it for you? Time? Energy? Words in English?
If you said words in English, that's exactly why you're here. And the fact that you made it to phrase number 9 tells us something very good about you.
Excellent. You've done the hard part. Now let's lock these in. I'll say the phrase, you say the meaning. Out loud, right now. Don't just think it, say it.
Wake up.
To stop sleeping. Good.
Give up.
To stop trying. Keep going.
Turn on.
To start a machine or device. Yes.
Look for.
To search for something.
Pick up.
To lift something or to collect a person.
Come back.
To return to a place.
Put off.
To delay something. And remember, put off doing, always the ing form.
Figure out.
To understand or solve something.
Run out of.
To have no more of something.
9 phrasal verbs. You said all of them. That is not a small thing.
Here is your one challenge for today. Just one. Go to the comments right now and write one sentence using any phrasal verb from this video.
It can be simple. I wake up at 6:30. I'm looking for a better English level. I always put off doing the dishes. One sentence. Any phrase. That is all. We will be in the comments this week reading your sentences. We want to see what you made.
And next week, we're posting a video called 10 Phrasal Verbs for Work and Study. If you know the 9 from today, you'll already have a big head start on that one.
Click subscribe below so you do not miss it. And if you want to watch something right now, our video on basic conversation phrases is right there. It's a perfect companion to today's lesson.
You showed up today. You stayed all the way to the end. That's real progress, even if it doesn't feel like it yet.
We are proud of you. Keep going. Do not give up. And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye for now.